Shop Floor Manager is a secure user group-based system using logins and passwords. It is a database enterprise automation system providing discrete manufacturers with machine tool communications, NC file management, document management, shop operations management, machine monitoring management, history management, OEE reports, performance reports, and more. Shop Floor Manager provides ISO control of all your shop documents. See our user manual for details. Another no-fluff video from Shop Floor Manager. Today we will be demonstrating the more advanced features of remote requests. Remote requests are designed to contain all the help needed to aid operators in their use. Its design is consistent with Shop Floor Manager's goals of providing applications with detailed explanations in their operation. In other words, any response a user receives after submitting a remote request command includes all the details needed to perform their tasks. First, we will investigate how Shop Floor Manager is configured to handle all remote requests. Clicking on the Configure Machines icon displays the following window. For this demonstration we will be using machine 8000A, which is an Ethernet machine. Since the remote request basics are the same for our RS-232 machine, we will only be demoing the Ethernet machine. Highlighting 8000A and clicking on the Properties button displays the following window. We have navigated to the tab Protocol, then to the tab Remote Request Parameters, and then to the tab Style. We have enabled remote requests. Next, we enable autosave files from Save subfolder, which allows an operator to drop files into the Save folder for processing. This processing can include two distinct actions. The first thing Shop Floor Manager does is open the file and search the first 5,000 characters looking for any command embedded in the file. If it finds a valid command, it will be processed. If the command caused an error, a detailed response file is sent back to the operator explaining Shop Floor Manager's disposition. If the command involved saving a shop file, a detailed response file is generated confirming that the file was saved and will include a detailed explanation. Second, if Shop Floor Manager doesn't find a command, it then saves this file with today's date and time and sends a detailed response which includes that the file was saved and the file's name. Next, enable Process Save subfolder by Move to Work subfolder. This refers to the file dprint, which contains machine events. These events are created and output by HOS-type controllers. The reason for moving the file dprint to this subfolder is to prevent Shop Floor Manager and HOS from accessing this file simultaneously, causing a conflict. HOS recreates this file if it is not present. The rest of the selections are obvious, and if additional information is needed, see our user manual. We have now opened the Exchange directory shared by the Ethernet machine 8000A and Shop Floor Manager. This is where remote requests and Shop Floor Manager documents including shop files, RRC templates, responses, etc. are exchanged. Before digging into the use of remote requests, let's view all of the possible remote requests available to an operator. Click on the Configure Customized Remote Request button and the following window is displayed. We have now opened the Edit Remote Request Customized Command text form, displaying all of the remote requests available to an operator. There are 21 possible remote requests supported by Shop Floor Manager. These provide all the remote requests a user will ever need. At this time, we will only investigate one remote request, command template. Submitting the command to Shop Floor Manager will return a response file that contains all of the remote requests and the detailed documentation on their use. We open the file command.txt, which will be used to contain our first remote request. We have cleared the file and added the remote request, command template, and enclosed this with the comment characters. When this command is received and processed by Shop Floor Manager, it will send a response file with a list of all the 21 remote request commands including details on their use. Save this file and remove the file extension .txt from the file name. This changes the name to just command, which Shop Floor Manager assumes will contain a remote request. It is immediately processed and returns a response file which is placed in the Exchange directory. Opening the response file displays the following response file content. The response file contains all of the remote requests available to a user, along with detailed explanations of their use and how to configure these. A user doesn't need to have a user manual next to them to explain their use. We are interested in the remote request command that returns a list of the first 100 shop files, if they exist and are located in a particular virtual folder. The virtual folder is rc_8000A. The remote request command we highlighted, list, rc_8000A, space, 100, 1, accomplishes this task. The virtual folder, rc_8000A, is more flexible and easier to manage than Windows folders. For more information, see the user manual. We will remove the / character from in front of the list command, and save this file. By removing the / character and resubmitting this response file into the save folder, Shop Floor Manager will process any remote request commands it finds without this character in front of the comment of the line. Note: only one remote request command should have the / at any one time. Submit the response file into the save folder and the following response file is returned. Clicking on the response file displays a list of the first 100 shop files. If the list we received back didn't include the shop file we were looking for, we can resubmit this file without making any changes, and the next set of 100 shop files would be sent back. The reason it returns the next 100 shop files is highlighted in the list command marked by a red rectangle. It is automatically modified by Shop Floor Manager, and if resubmitted without a change, will return 100 shop files starting with the shop file in the 101st position. The user doesn't have to modify anything. This can be continued until you find the shop file you need. Note: if you know the file you want, you can retrieve it using the command get with the shop file name. In this demonstration, we will request Shop Floor Manager to return the shop file 12345tytre.txt. This is accomplished by placing a / in front of the comment character and saving the file, and then dragging and dropping this into the save folder. When the response file is returned, open it to see its contents. The response file contains the requested shop file. We have highlighted information that was automatically inserted into the shop file. This insertable information is configurable and provides the user with details on the file's ISO state and other useful information. See the user manual for details. That concludes this demonstration. We would like to thank you for taking your time to view this video. If you would like more information, please visit our website https://www.shopfloormanager.com. You can also call 1-781-933-9500. Another no-fluff video from Shop Floor Manager.